Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Hello, fellow drivers and car enthusiasts. Excessive fuel consumption can often be linked to worn carburetor jets, impacting both your wallet and your vehicle's performance. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the impact of worn carburetor jets on fuel consumption, identify symptoms indicating this issue, and discuss steps to address it. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to our videos. We work hard to get great content to you. Join us as we understand the role of carburetor jets, recognize signs of wear, and learn how to rectify excessive fuel consumption caused by worn jets. Understanding excessive fuel consumption due to worn carburetor jets. Excessive fuel consumption can be a frustrating issue for vehicle owners. One common cause of this problem is a worn carburetor jet. Understanding the signs of a worn carburetor jet and knowing how to address the issue can help improve fuel efficiency and save money on gas. In this video, we will explore the impact of a worn carburetor jet on fuel consumption and provide practical solutions for addressing this issue. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply looking to improve your vehicle's fuel economy, this information will be valuable for maintaining your vehicle's optimal performance. Understanding carburetor jets. What is a carburetor jet? Carburetor jets are essential components in the carburetor system of an engine. They are small, cylindrical nozzles that regulate the amount of fuel mixed with air that enters the engine cylinders. The size of the jet determines the amount of fuel flowing into the venturi, where it mixes with the incoming air. Carburetor jets come in various sizes to accommodate different fuel flow rates and engine requirements. How carburetor jets affect fuel consumption. The size of the carburetor jet directly impacts the fuel-air mixture, which in turn affects the engine's performance and fuel consumption. A larger jet size allows more fuel to mix with the air, resulting in a richer mixture and increased fuel consumption. Conversely, a smaller jet size limits the fuel flow, leading to a leaner mixture and reduced fuel consumption. It's crucial to ensure that the carburetor jets are appropriately sized and in optimal condition to maintain fuel efficiency and engine performance. Signs of worn carburetor jets. Carburetor jets play a critical role in the fuel delivery system of a vehicle, and when they start to wear out, certain signs become evident. Recognizing these signs can help you diagnose the issue early and prevent further damage to your vehicle. Here are some common indicators of worn carburetor jets. Decreased fuel efficiency. One of the most noticeable signs of worn carburetor jets is a significant drop in fuel efficiency. As the jets wear out, they may deliver an improper fuel-to-air ratio, leading to excessive fuel consumption. Keep an eye on your vehicle's fuel economy, as a sudden decline could indicate an issue with the carburetor jets. Engine roughness and misfiring. Worn carburetor jets can cause the engine to run roughly and misfire during operation. This occurs because the jets are not delivering the correct amount of fuel, leading to combustion issues within the engine. If you notice your engine running less smoothly than usual or experiencing intermittent misfiring, it could be a sign of worn carburetor jets. Black smoke from exhaust. Another visual indicator of worn carburetor jets is the emission of black smoke from the exhaust. This occurs when the engine is receiving too much fuel due to the worn jets, leading to incomplete combustion. If you observe black smoke coming from your vehicle's exhaust, it's essential to have the carburetor system inspected for potential jet wear. Difficulty starting the engine. Worn carburetor jets can also contribute to difficulty starting the engine, especially when the vehicle has been sitting idle for an extended period. This difficulty arises from the improper fuel delivery caused by the worn jets, making it challenging for the engine to ignite and start smoothly. If you find yourself struggling to start your vehicle, consider checking the carburetor jets for wear and tear. Recognizing these signs can help you address worn carburetor jets proactively, preserving your vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency. If you notice any of these indicators, it's advisable to have a professional mechanic inspect and potentially replace the worn carburetor jets to ensure optimal engine functionality. Causes of worn carburetor jets. Wear and tear. Over time, carburetor jets can succumb to wear and tear, especially if the vehicle is frequently used in demanding conditions or if it's been in operation for a long time. The constant exposure to fuel and airflow can gradually erode the jets, leading to inefficient fuel combustion and, consequently, excessive fuel consumption. Contaminated fuel. Contaminated or low-quality fuel can also contribute to the erosion of carburetor jets. Particles and impurities in the fuel can gradually build up in the jets, disrupting the precise flow of fuel and air and accelerating wear. This is why using clean, high-quality fuel and regularly replacing fuel filters is essential for preserving the integrity of carburetor jets. Improper maintenance. Neglecting regular maintenance, including cleaning and tuning the carburetor, can result in the gradual deterioration of the jets. Without proper upkeep, the accumulation of debris and varnish can lead to clogs and other issues that accelerate wear and compromise the performance of the jets. Regular maintenance, including periodic inspection and cleaning of the carburetor, is crucial for preventing premature wear of the jets. Impact on fuel consumption. Carburetor jets play a crucial role in the fuel delivery process of a vehicle's engine. When the jets become worn, it can lead to an imbalance in the air-to-fuel ratio, ultimately affecting fuel efficiency. How worn carburetor jets affect fuel delivery. Worn carburetor jets can disrupt the proper mixture of air and fuel in the combustion process. As the jets wear out, they may become larger in diameter, allowing more fuel to enter the engine than necessary. This imbalance results in excessive fuel consumption, as the engine receives more fuel than it can efficiently burn. The relationship between carburetor jets and fuel efficiency. The carburetor jets directly impact fuel efficiency by controlling the amount of fuel that mixes with the incoming air. When the jets are worn, the engine receives an excessive amount of fuel, leading to reduced fuel efficiency. This inefficiency can result in increased fuel consumption and higher costs for the vehicle owner. By understanding the impact of worn carburetor jets on fuel delivery and efficiency, vehicle owners can recognize the importance of maintaining these components to ensure optimal fuel consumption and overall performance. Diagnosing worn carburetor jets. Visual inspection. Carburetor jets play a crucial role in regulating the fuel-air mixture in an internal combustion engine. To diagnose worn carburetor jets, start with a visual inspection. Remove the carburetor from the engine and disassemble it carefully. Examine the jets for signs of wear, such as erosion or enlargement of the orifices. Any visible damage or distortion indicates the need for replacement. Additionally, inspect for any clogs or debris that might be affecting the jet's performance. Fuel system pressure test. Conducting a fuel system pressure test is a vital step in diagnosing worn carburetor jets. This test involves connecting a pressure gauge to the fuel line and measuring the pressure while the engine is running. Low or fluctuating fuel pressure can indicate a malfunctioning or worn carburetor jet. This method helps to pinpoint issues related to fuel delivery and identifies whether worn jets are causing fuel inefficiency. Performance testing. Performance testing provides valuable insights into the functioning of carburetor jets. During this test, evaluate the engine's performance at different throttle positions and RPM ranges. A worn carburetor jet can cause irregular idling, stumbling acceleration, or excessive fuel consumption. Additionally, a lean air-fuel mixture due to worn jets can lead to engine overheating. By comparing the engine's performance to manufacturer specifications, it becomes easier to identify issues related to worn carburetor jets and take necessary corrective measures. The visual inspection, fuel system pressure test, and performance testing serve as essential diagnostic methods for identifying worn carburetor jets. Conducting these tests empowers car owners and mechanics to address fuel inefficiency issues promptly, ensuring optimal engine performance and fuel economy. Addressing worn carburetor jets. Carburetor cleaning and rebuilding. When dealing with excessive fuel consumption caused by worn carburetor jets, the first step is often to clean and rebuild the carburetor. Over time, debris and varnish can accumulate, leading to clogs and improper fuel delivery. Begin by carefully disassembling the carburetor and cleaning each component thoroughly with a carburetor cleaner. Pay close attention to the jets and passages, ensuring they are free from any obstruction. After cleaning, the carburetor may need to be rebuilt with new gaskets and seals to guarantee proper function. Replacing carburetor jets. If cleaning and rebuilding the carburetor does not resolve the issue, replacing the worn carburetor jets may be necessary. This involves identifying the specific jets that are worn or damaged and obtaining the correct replacements. When installing new jets, it is crucial to ensure they are the appropriate size and are installed securely. Following the replacement, it is essential to recalibrate and tune the carburetor to optimize fuel delivery and air-fuel mixture. Tuning and adjusting the carburetor. Tuning and adjusting the carburetor is a critical step in addressing excessive fuel consumption attributed to worn carburetor jets. This process involves fine-tuning the air-fuel mixture, idle speed, and throttle response to achieve optimal performance. Utilizing a vacuum gauge and a tachometer can aid in the precise adjustment of the carburetor. By making incremental changes and observing the engine's response, the carburetor can be tuned to deliver the correct air-fuel ratio, mitigating excessive fuel consumption caused by worn jets. In summary, excessive fuel consumption can often be attributed to a worn carburetor jet. Understanding the potential impact of this issue on your vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency is crucial for maintaining its overall health and longevity. By recognizing the signs of a worn carburetor jet and addressing the issue promptly, you can ensure optimal fuel consumption and engine functionality. Regular maintenance and inspection are key to identifying and resolving carburetor-related issues, ultimately contributing to a smoother driving experience and cost-effective fuel usage. Thank you for exploring our guide on excessive fuel consumption due to worn carburetor jets. By understanding the impact of worn jets and their role in fuel consumption, you're better equipped to address this issue and maintain your vehicle's efficiency. Stay tuned for more insightful automotive maintenance tips and troubleshooting guides. Remember, worn carburetor jets can significantly impact fuel efficiency. Keep an eye out for signs of wear to ensure optimal performance and fuel economy for your vehicle. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.